Hey family, happy spring. I'm Star, and in today's video I am showing you my front porch decor. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Follow along for more home decor, DIY, and party videos. Let's jump right in. So I just start off by giving my front porch a good clean. I am cleaning the floor. I am cleaning all of the dust off of the door. We have a black door, so it gets really dusty. And as well as the patio furniture that's already there. And I got this pretty springtime wreath from Joann's. Here I'm just refreshing the throw pillows. I decided to go with different shades of pink with a hint of blue. I was able to find some really pretty planters from HomeGoods. So I got this brass planter from there, as well as these white, big, large planters for larger plants that have faces on them. So here we're just repotting these paradise palms. I have one inside of my house, so I thought it would be really cool to have some outside as well because they grow really well in warm weather and they grow really fast. It actually took me some time to arrange everything on the porch how I wanted it. This actually wasn't the last arrangement that I did. I had these lanterns. I got some lanterns from HomeGoods as well. Most of the decor here came from HomeGoods. So I just took a good amount of time to just continue to play around with my decor pieces, with my plans, to position them exactly where I wanted them. I also used some faux stems to create a very springtime floral arrangement on my porch just to add some more dimension, and I just love florals. And this is how my front porch turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have not done so already, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for more home decor, DIY, and party hosting videos. And until next time, love, Star.